How about some spring cleaning, but make it skincare? A deep cleanse on my face. Let's do it. Because I know during spring and summer, we love that glass skin glow. So I'm going to use some products that really cleanse the skin and give us that dewy, plump, hydrated skin. I am so tired right now, but let's ignore that and start with a double cleanse. And actually, let's put the hair back, shall we? What I've been using in the first step is the Peach and Lily Ginger Melt Oil Cleanser. You can fast forward this part if you are not interested in how I wash my face with the Falsie Impress lashes on. These are the ones that you can wear for like all day, but then you take them off at the end. But I'll be honest, like I sleep in mine, and people always ask like, how do you wash your face? What's your, like, what do you do? How do you keep them on? So this is exactly what I do. And it's a little bit, I mean, what's the word? Meticulous, maybe? Like extra, but I want to keep them on because they still look good. And then if you're not a hard sleeper, you wake up, they look just like this. So it also depends on how you sleep, what kind of sleeper you are. Sometimes I'll wake up and one half is all gone, so whatever. But I take a Q-tip and I put just a little, just enough to soak the end of the Q-tip, and I go in like so. See what I mean by like it's a bit meticulous? And I wipe this off, the shadow or the concealer or whatever, like literally the Q-tip takes it right off. Today I did not go in with a lot of makeup at all. Skin balm, beauty balm, and concealer, some brow wax, and that was it, and a little lower line mascara. But normally it's a lot more soaked with eyeshadow than that. But I just go in, and I'm also really sure to get, like, you know, you're cleaning it, so you get really close to the lashes in that little corner there. You just get the makeup off like so. And since I've got the Q-tip out, I will go ahead and work around, and I'll start the lower lash line too. That way when it comes to scrubbing with this guy, I don't have to get really close, and there's a lower chance of me getting soap and water all over these lashes. Now you can see how soaked it is. Do just like that. Easy peasy. Okay, so the eye area, as you can see, now has no makeup. We now have to actually take a cleanser. I love a good foaming cleanser. Here lately, I've been loving this one from La Roche-Posay. This is the one for dry to extra dry skin. I need the one for normal to oily skin. I'm not sure how I ended up with this. Let's just skip that. I don't know. But I do like how foamy and like gently it cleanses. It is a beautiful cleanser. It really is. This is $20, and you can see it's a big bottle. It's for face and body, but it really does get in there. It foams up. It feels luxurious, to be honest. I did the meticulous part with the Q-tip, and then I forgot, like, I actually have to put some on my hand. This is the Peach and Lily. And it's just going to rub off and kind of melt away all the makeup from the day, which is not a lot. Again, I went with a beauty balm, concealer, routine. It was a simple makeup day. See why I love this product? It just smoothly, like you're not pulling and tugging on your skin. It just so easily gets the product off. Melts it, breaks it down, so that way when it comes time to do the foaming cleanser or whatever cleanser you use, it can just cleanse instead of work so hard to break down the makeup. Like your makeup's already broken down or in the process of being broken down. Nice. Now, I can't believe I did that. That's so funny. Now let's go in with the La Roche-Posay. Let's go in. You know what this smells like? It smells like slightly fruity, but it smells just like simple and clean. And I like it. That's enjoyable. Like just a simple, clean smell. If you didn't know, you're supposed to wash your face for 2 minutes to get a real deep clean, a deep scrub going. Again, I have the falsie impress lashes on, so I am being mindful of that. I look so scary. We have done an oil cleanser. We have done a pretty standard, basic, gentle foaming cleanser. And now this is where the deep cleanse comes into play. The Peach and Lily Glass Skin Face Polisher. You know what? I've got this one and I like this one. The only thing I don't like about this is the fact that I need like it gives you the amount that it thinks you need. It gives you one and then it's just not enough. Like it times it or whatever. It's a good idea. It's just not enough. I need the extra. I need the extra. And you know what? We've used Peach and Lily. Let's use some Tatcha, shall we? Let's use some Tatcha. This is the Tatcha Rice Polisher. And look, I'm almost out of it. I have another one. I have a backup. It's like the teal one. That lighter. This stuff is amazing. So this is what's going to deep cleanse our skin. This is an exfoliant. It is literally a powder. It's a foaming enzyme powder. It's going to be good for all skin types if you have concerns for pores, dullness, unevenness, textured skin. This is a really good, like a reset for your skin. Like I said, it's a foaming enzyme powder. It's going to cleanse deeply into your pores, and it's just a beautiful product. So I like to use this to start my glass skin adventure, I guess you would say. I don't know. So literally all you do, it looks like this, and you pour it onto your skin or onto your hand like that. And then you're gonna take a little bit of water into your hand. Just a few drops will do you. It's hard to show you. A couple drops. And then you rub your hands together. And you start to create this beautiful foam. And then on your face it goes. Put this everywhere on your skin, on your face. But I would focus it on the porous areas. So for me, that's right here and my upper lip. And I just keep gliding my hands across my skin until it's all, like it's super smooth. Like the little grains are all dissolved and have turned into a foam. Our skin is about to be so smooth. I really think the rice polisher, like this step is vital for beautiful, smooth, glowy, healthy looking skin. And one thing that I do is I take it with the cleanser that I just used and this, and I'll go over the lips to wipe off all the dead skin cells and stuff. I'm gonna do it here too. So that way your lips are super smooth as well. And then we give ourselves a good rinse. Okay, now the cleansing part is finally, we've done it. We have done it. It's going with a towel, and please be sure to pat dry. This is not cutting it. You are absolutely asking for wrinkles, asking for like no elasticity in your skin. You are asking for it. And when you ask for it, I can't help you. Again, I'm obviously being mindful of the lashes. Okay, this is my skin. Now that we have deep cleansed, like we have stripped the skin almost. I guess you would say that. Yeah, we have stripped the skin. It's smooth. It definitely, like I can feel it needs nutrients put back into it. But you can see it is soft and glowy. It looks nice and hydrated. But let's put back into. And the first thing I'm going to do is go in with a toner. Okay, so this from Beekman 1802 is a must-have. This is what they call their milkshake. It's hyaluronic acid and a squalene facial toner mist. If you feel like you have dull skin, dry skin, your skin needs just plumpness all around, you need this in your life. This literally focuses on hydration, uneven skin tone. It keeps your skin hydrated and balanced all day long. I'm obsessed, and I like that it's alcohol free. I love using a toner, but I can't use it every single day if it has alcohol in it. This does not, so I can very happily and carefreely use this every single day. And the mister, perfection. Perfection. It's so nice. There's certain products that I really like that I have right now that I don't use because the mister is like, I literally douse my skin in it, and I can feel like that tightness from deep cleansing my skin. It literally has gone away within seconds because of this. Like the hydration, unreal. Unreal. Next, let's go in with some eye care. I've been loving this lately. Estee Lauder, the Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. I layer it on, not layer it, but you know, I put on a lot. So that way my skin can just drink these products as I sleep. Who doesn't want something working for you while you sleep? Like, duh, that's amazing. So, and you can see like it just glides. I'm not tugging at my skin. If you do have wrinkles or maybe like a saggier under eye, instead of doing like I did, just tap it instead of going back and forth. Because once again, if you are pulling and tugging with a towel or with your finger, you're doing damage to your skin. Don't keep rubbing it in until you think it's gone. If it's gone, that means your skin needed it. You know how like when you're thirsty and you just keep drinking until it's quenched? Your skin does the same thing. If you put on lotion anywhere on your body and it's like sucks right up, your skin really needed it and you may want to apply some more. But you see, I'm putting this on really thick. And by morning, it's not going to look anywhere near like this. I might have some residue from what my skin didn't drink, but most of this will be sucked up and gone. Look how beautiful this gel is. Cream gel-like texture. Like it's a cream and a gel together. How they did that, I don't know. But some gels are like cold and kind of watery. Creamy gel. Next up, we are going in with 2 serums. I'm just going to double them up. 2 squirts, 1 palm. If you know, you know. I am going to go in with this. This is new for me. It's been, Charlotte's done release this. I know. But this is new to me in my collection. This is the Collagen Super Fusion Facial Oil, infused with collagen matrix and potent plant extracts. This we're going to go in with for firming and plumping of the skin, that youthful plump look, hydration, moisture. The Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder, that one I had to look up because it's a 7-in-1 serum. It's really good. It is so good. I would recommend this for, you know, you hit 18 and on, like you can use this and it's such a good product for your skin. It is good for lines and wrinkles, firmer skin, smoother skin, radiant, even skin tone, pores look more diminished, hydration, 72-hour hydration, 8-hour antioxidant power, strengthens the skin barrier in just 4 hours. It's oil free. It's like, there's just so much. There's so much. So we're going to go in with both. This one from Charlotte Tilbury, I love the smell. Like, it just smells like it's putting in work. I know that sounds weird, but it smells absolutely wonderful. And yeah, I go in heavy with the serums too. Again, Just gliding on the skin, on the forehead, also the neck and décolletage area, like so. And if I have a really early morning tomorrow, so it's like, it's already kind of late. It's 9:50. I mean, that's late for an early morning, you know. But if I were to like really have the time, I would take a gua sha, or you can take your fingers, thumb, index, and kind of create that contour shape with your face. And over time, if you keep doing this, whether you use a gua sha or just your fingers, you will see a difference in your face shape. Like, look at that. Don't forget your hands. Keep the hands young. Okay, so we've done a toner. We've done serums, oils. We've done our eye cream. Now let's get into the thicker stuff. I am using the Biosense Squalene Omega Repair Cream. And then I'm also going in with the Ole Henriksen Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. 2-in-1 again. Obviously, you don't have to use 2 products for each category. I'm just being extra. I like the products. I want to reset the skin. I want healthy, glowy skin for spring. And this is just what I'm doing to achieve it. If you have one product, if you don't have either of these and you have your own, girl, go for it. Let me know what you're using. I want to know. I might get it. You got to switch up the skincare game, girl. This, I was told, is like a waist trainer for the face, and I believe it. I love that. A waist trainer for the face. Of course we're going to buy it. If that's your selling point, yes. You don't even have to tell me what it is. I want to buy it. It's a waist trainer for the face. Add to cart, of course. And this product, I really love this product because it is so, it's like thick, creamy, and I'm telling you, my skin absolutely drinks it. So I've got the 2 in my palm and I've just swirled them together, and then I will just pick up from there, and again layering it on thick, not forgetting the hands, so you can see like my skincare is sitting on top of my skin, and by morning it will be drunk skin. Last but not least, we did not forget the neck or deck. We did not forget the hands, but a lot of people tend to forget the lip. So let's add a lip balm. I've been using this one for a long while. This is the Smith's Mint and Eucalyptus Lip Balm. I like it because it's hydrating. My skin, or my lips drink it. There is no like film that's left over on your lips, you know, like when you wake up or you have your chapstick on, it's been a hot minute, and then you got like white. I can't, if something does that, I like throw it away. Why are you out here making me look stupid? I don't need your help for that. Now we are shiny and glowy and dewy with skincare. We love it. Don't forget to do your skincare tonight and be extra about it. Lay it on thick. We want to see the shine. And don't forget the lip balm, the neck, the deck, the hands, and brush your teeth. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.